Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we'll walk you through how to disable the location feature in the Vivaldi browser. If you're concerned about your privacy online, turning off geolocation is an important step. This guide is simple and easy to follow, even for beginners. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your computer. Next, move your mouse to the top left corner of the browser and click on the Vivaldi icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, choose Settings. After that, look at the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down the page until you find a section called Website Permissions. Under this section, locate the option named Geolocation. Finally, click on Geolocation and change the setting from Ask to Block. This will prevent websites from requesting your location. And that's it. You've successfully disabled location tracking in Vivaldi. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more simple browser tutorials and tech privacy tips. Thanks for watching.